Here I have VIVO V29, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, recovery mode. In this menu, select clear data, then select clear all data, then tap OK, and after a few seconds, all the data from your device will be wiped, including your lock screen password. And after that, what you should do is to just restart your device. Return, restart, and after that, device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.